So we bring the bingsu on the table and we just tell guests, this is the bingsu, and we drop it. So it crashes. It's basically in a chocolate bowl and it crashes and people are like just shocked. So obviously in the world of social media, people Instagram, and then it became popular through that. So everybody came and started asking for the smash dessert. So the bingsu is a very traditional Korean dessert as it's known today, but the roots were actually in China. And in China, they ate shaved ice or fruits on ice. It's basically like snow or shaved ice with condensed milk, with fruit syrups, with jelly, and with lots and lots of fruit.
You can eat it all year long, but mainly successful in summer. Mainly when the spring season is coming, winter and spring season is coming, you go through strawberry season in Korea. So at that time we create the strawberry bingsu. Then you serve it with soft ice cream, so it's really refreshing, and you just have to dig with your spoon, you know, and people, they love it.
So what we do here is we use a whole block of ice which comes from Japan, purely because the quality of ice to keep it intact in the shaved texture is very important. More than the quality of ice only, it's also the process. So if you have the right process of filtering the water, you have a super freezer, you could even make it here. But because we don't have all those facilities, the water usually has salt content in it. The water in Japan is purer.
The bingsu is something that you dig and that you share with people, so it doesn't have to be so clean and keen on detail on the plating. What's important is to share, and it's convivial, you know. Bingsu, we started with a mango texture one, and then so it was build it up, and then when you start to dig, basically everything was kind of falling apart, so all over the table, so it was not so easy for the guests. So we say, you know what, we're going to bring an edible shell, a chocolate shell, and then we just smash it in front of the guests.
We also do a very interesting version of it with matcha, and that one's very different. So we use matcha, we call it matcha bingsu, and it has vanilla, it has a little bit of cheesecake element, and then the whole lot of matcha powder, matcha ice cream, etc.